Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Bing ads for affiliate traffic on a budget, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Bing ads account if you don't already have one. Visit the Bing ads website and click on sign up. Fill in your details to create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Bing ads dashboard. Next, set your campaign structure. Click on campaigns and then create campaign. Choose your campaign goal, such as visits to my website for affiliate traffic. Select the campaign type, such as search for text-based ads. Set your daily or monthly budget based on your financial constraints. Now, proceed to select your target audience. Define the location, language, and demographic settings. Refine your audience to ensure it matches your affiliate offer. Next, create ad groups within your campaign. Click on Ad Groups and then Create Ad Group. Choose relevant keywords that relate to your affiliate product. Use tools like the Bing Keyword Planner for help with keyword selection. Once your ad group is set, start writing your ad copy. Make sure your headlines are catchy and relevant to the product. Include a clear call to action in your ad copy, prompting users to click. Add the final URL leading to your affiliate offer. Be sure to review your ad for any errors before submitting. Next, set up ad extensions to enhance your ad visibility. Consider adding site link extensions or callout extensions for more information. After configuring your ads, set your bid strategy. Choose between manual bidding or automated options, depending on your budget. Monitor the competition for your chosen keywords to adjust your bids accordingly. Now, launch your campaign by clicking Save and Launch. Once your ads are live, track their performance through the dashboard. Observe key metrics like clicks, conversions, and spending. Optimize your keywords and ad copy based on performance data. Regularly adjust your bids to stay competitive without overspending. Consider testing different ads and landing pages for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.